Mentioned we potentially could see some storms this Flag Day, so keep that in mind if you're flying Old Glory.
Yeah, I mean, we have a really small chance to see some thunderstorms, but the chance is there, so I got to tell you about it. Right now, though, we're looking at clear skies as we look from our Dallas Baptist University camera. Temperature of 78 degrees and a southeast wind that's bringing in the humidity and it's keeping it in place. Your end of the week forecast showing a high of 91 degrees today. I'm still keeping about 10% coverage of rain in the forecast for today, tomorrow, and on Father's Day Sunday. High temperatures in the low 90s during the afternoons. Morning lows will be in the mid 70s, so it'll feel humid in the morning and it'll feel warmer than the 90s during the afternoon. I'm expecting the heat index at about 101 to 102 Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Your Father's Day Sunday starting off with temperatures in the 70s, about 78 degrees around 9. If you're teeing off early, I think you'll be fine in terms of any weather-related delays. But by the afternoon, I do think we could see some additional thunderstorms as the temperature climbs to about 92. I'm watching a cluster of thunderstorms that is significantly decreasing in coverage and lowering in intensity. It's just really starting to dissipate as it moves into Texas. I do see, though, a lightning strike in far southern Jack County there going into northern Palo Pinto, northern Parker County. It's a thunderstorm that developed off of the outflows of these storms here, so you can kind of see it a little bit better there. But overall, we're going to see a lot of this weekend over time. So the next couple of hours, most models are showing this completely gone. In fact, the marginal risk for severe weather, it's only at a level 1 for our far northwestern counties, and that's really about it for today, other than the warmth. This model in particular showing a lot of that activity really starting to dwindle down. By the time 3-4 o'clock this afternoon rolls around, we'll see a lot in the way of sunshine and maybe an isolated storm towards the south. The temperature right now is about 78 in Denton, 73 in Gainesville, and 76 in Bowie. If you're thinking that's a huge difference from the 80 degrees in Dallas, it is. And it's because of that rain that's nearby and the cloud cover not allowing those temperatures to climb nearly as quickly. That's why today highs will only be in the mid 80s across our Red River counties, but closer to 90 degrees in Denton and in McKinney, 92 in Fort Worth, about 91 in Dallas, and in the mid 90s for our western counties. Remember, dry air warms up a lot faster, which is why the mid 90s are expected in western North Texas. Compare that to the upper 80s in eastern North Texas, where humidity is higher. On Saturday, we have a marginal level 1 risk for severe weather for northwestern North Texas. It does include Wise County, Denton County. It's a very low end risk to see a strong storm. And this primarily happens Saturday night. So let me show you this. This is Saturday, 7 in the morning. You see the cloud cover. In the afternoon, we could see a pop-up thunderstorm southeast of here. This is all thanks to sea breeze showers that move in from the coast. But then overnight, we get this cluster of thunderstorms that develops in Oklahoma. A lot of models are actually backing off on this potential, but it could linger into the morning hours on Sunday for our far northwestern counties. And then Sunday afternoon again, sea breeze showers that could make it to our southeastern counties. All that to say is most of us will stay dry this weekend, but anytime there's a little moisture in our atmosphere and there's a lot of heat in our atmosphere, we get the potential for afternoon showers and thunderstorms. So just keep that in mind as you go about your weekend plans. High temperatures will be in the 90s. Make sure to hydrate because it'll feel like the triple digits during the afternoon. The mid 90s continue for middle parts of next week with slim chances for rain Thursday, Friday. We'll be back.